Hello friends, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Now we will start. Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about all formulas in the differentiation. Now we will start with the basic formula to find derivables, that is f differentiation x will be equal to limit h tends to 0 function f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. Now we will start with the differentiation formula, that is d by dx of k, constant k, that is equal to 0. Differentiation of every constant is always 0. Okay, now differentiation of a variable x is 1. Okay, this is 1. Now differentiation of d by dx of kx, that is equal to k. In this, constant is not going to be differentiable because constant k, that is a scalar multiple of variable x, it will be come out of d by dx and only x will be differentiable, that is 1. 1 into k, that is k. Okay, now next d by dx of x power n is n into x power n minus 1. This is a very useful basic differentiation formula. Remember that d by dx of x power n is, n will come the scalar multiple, that is n into x power n will be subtracted with one number, that is n minus 1. So scalar multiple, that is n into x power n minus 1. Okay, now next we will discuss about some more interesting differentiable formulas, that is d by dx of e power x, that will be equal to e power x. d by dx of e power x is e power x. Next, differentiability of d by dx of log x, that is equal to 1 by x. Differentiability of log x is 1 by x. Okay, now differentiation of a power x, that is equal to a power x log x, log a. Differentiation of a power x is a power x log a. We can also write as a power x log a to the base e. Here e also can be kept. Differentiation of x power x, that is equal to x power x multiplied by 1 plus log x. 1 plus log x multiplied by x power x. Next, differentiation of log x to the base a, that is equal to 1 by x multiplied by 1 by log a. Now we will discuss some more interesting. This is full of functions, that is differentiation of e power gx. E power gx. Gx is a function. So e power function gx equal to e power gx multiplied by derivative of the function gx. This is derivative of the function gx. This is e power gx. Now in the same way, differentiation of a power gx is equal to log of a multiplied by a power gx multiplied by differentiation of function gx. Now differentiation of log function gx, that is equal to differentiation of function gx by gx. Now last one is d by dx, that is differentiation of log a, that is log gx to the base a. Differentiation of log gx to the base a is equal to differentiation of the function gx divided by gx into log a. Okay, now some more formulas. Okay, we will discuss first u v rules, u plus v rules and u by v rules. Differentiation of u plus v or u minus v, that is differentiation of u plus or minus differentiation of v. If u minus v, here differentiation of u minus differentiation of v. If u plus v, that is differentiation of u plus differentiation of v. Now uv rule, this is also known as product rule. Okay, that is differentiation of v multiplied by u plus differentiation of u multiplied by v. Okay, product rule, that is uv rule equal to differentiation of v into u plus differentiation of u into v. This is very important, will be useful for many questions also. Now we will discuss about u by v rule, that is quotient rule. U by v rule is derivative of u multiplied by v plus derivative of u multiplied by v divided by v square. Okay, u by v rule is, that is quotient rule is differentiation of u multiplied by v, differentiation of v multiplied by u divided by v square. Now next, some more formulas. We already discussed this is product rule, that is uv rule or product rule. We can write uv rule in terms of functions also. U becomes fx, v is equal to gx. Now do this, fx into gx, fx multiplied by gx equal to differentiation of fx multiplied by gx, differentiation of gx multiplied by fx. This is product rule, we already discussed it, that is only uv rule in forms of functions, that is product rule. Okay, now we will discuss quotient rule, that is u by v rule, we already discussed. Now again we will say, that is differentiation of fx multiplied by gx minus fx differentiation of gx multiplied by differentiation of gx whole divided by function gx whole square. Now chain rule, this is the most important rule in differentiation. Chain rule, this is differentiation of f of gx, that is equal to differentiation of f of gx and differentiation of gx. Okay, this is in the forms of functions, chain rule. Now this chain rule is in the function of d in the forms of constants and variables. Now we will see this also. Dy by dx is also written as dy by du into du by dx. Dy by dx is equal to dy by du multiplied by du by dx, and that is also written as three variable form also, that is dy by dv into dv by du into du by dx. Okay, now we will discuss some more. This is all trigonometry formulas, that is differentiation of sin x is cos x, differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, differentiation of tan x is sec square x. Next, differentiation of cot x is minus cosecant square x, and differentiation of sec x is sec x into tan x, differentiation of cosec x is minus cosecant x multiplied by cot x. If you observe, when we are differentiating a trigonometry ratio with starting with letter c, we will be getting a minus sign in the differentiation. Okay, here also cot x with c and we are getting a minus sign. Here cosecant x with starting with c, we are getting a minus sign over here. Okay, this is a nice technique to remember where we will get minus sign and where we will get plus sign. Okay, now this is inverse trigonometric ratios differentiation. Now starting with d by dx of sin inverse x, that is equal to 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Okay, 1 by root of 1 minus x square, that is differentiation of sin inverse x. Now differentiation of cos inverse x, that is 1 by root of 1 minus x square, same as sin inverse x, but the only thing is I already said that if c comes in the differentiation there will be a minus sign. Okay, now differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. See here, 1 by 1 plus x square is tan inverse x. Now if you will see cot inverse x, that is minus of 1 plus 1 by x square. This is same as tan inverse x. but the only difference is I already said if c comes, here minus sign will be coming. Now secant x, that is 1 by mod x into root of x square minus 1. Secant x is 1 by root mod x into root of x square minus 1. Now same this formula will be applied here, but because of c coming, the letter c coming in the differentiation cosecant x, cosecant inverse x, we will be getting a minus sign in the differentiation, that is minus of 1 by mod x into root of x square minus 1. Okay, now we will discuss about some more, that is hyperbolic functions. These are hyperbolic functions. Okay, hyperbolic function, that is sin h x, that is cos h x. Okay, like differentiation of sin x we will get cos x, here differentiation of sin h of x we will get cos h of x. Okay, now differentiation of cos h of x we will get sin h of x. Here if you see, for cos h we will be getting a minus sign in trigonometric ratios sin x cos x, but here if we will get, see here we are not getting a minus sign. In hyperbolic functions we will not get a minus sign if c will be not like that, it will be in a order. Tan h x equal to secant h square x. After that cot h, differentiation of cot h equal to minus cosecant h square x. After that differentiation of cosecant hx equal to minus cosecant hx multiplied by cot hx. Now differentiation of inverse trigonometric hyperbolic functions, that is sin h inverse of x, that is equal to 1 by root of x square plus 1. Okay friends, now we will see second one, that is d by dx of cos inverse h of x, that is equal to 1 by root of x square minus 1. Next one, differentiation of tan h inverse of x, that is equal to 1 by 1 minus x square. Now again d by dx of cot inverse h x is equal to minus of 1 by 1 minus x square. Now next differentiation of sec inverse h x is equal to minus of 1 by x into root of 1 minus x square. Now next differentiation of cosec h inverse of x is equal to 1 by root of 1 plus x square. Okay friends, all differentiation we have discussed, all the differentiation formulas. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Since I am a new YouTuber, please support my channel, share it to many of your friends. Bye bye.